At Germinal, we offer two 100% annual wildflower mixtures, WF10 and WF17. What's useful about annual wildflower mixtures for the landscape architect is that they give fairly instant impact. The species involved, poppies, corn chamomile, etc., are generally fairly tolerant with regards to germination. Vis-a-vis, if they're sown in the correct place and given moisture and heat, they'll germinate, and 60 to 80 days later you've got flowers. This means that annual wildflower mixtures lend themselves to areas where an impact is needed and a great floral impact is needed, such as the frontages to business parks or on roundabouts, etc. The other useful tip for a landscape architect is that annual mixtures can be used when an 80-20 habitat mixture, such as WFG2 flowering meadow, is sown in the spring. When mixtures with perennial wildflowers are sown in the spring, some of the perennial species don't germinate until the following autumn because they require a vernalisation in the soil. Therefore, the impact of those mixtures across the first summer can be poor in terms of floral impact. And the client's expectation is generally of a far greater floral display. An inclusion of annuals in those mixtures, so in WFG2 at 4 grams rather than the 5, and then WF10 or WF17 at 1 gram, just increases that percentage of annuals in the mixture and gives that expected floral impact. So you're meeting client expectations, which is so important with wildflower meadow sowings. Why WF10 and WF17? Well, WF10 is purely UK native species. WF17 includes some domesticated garden species, so in suburban and urban areas where strictly UK native isn't absolutely required, you just get an extra floral display and a longer display from March through till early October with WF17. That really explains annual wildflower mixtures.